The majestic Ram Ki Paidi is all set to be decked up with lights on the eve of Deepotsav in the temple town. As you are seeing the pictures out here, that students of various colleges are out here and are doing rehearsals for lighting up the diyas, which is all set for the Guinness Book of World Record once it lights up diyas around 7.51 lakh. Though state government claims that it will light up around 9 lakh diyas, all temples, even those in narrow lanes and bylanes of Ayodhya, are decked up for the festive occasion. The Ayodhya administration, though, is looking for the Guinness Book of World Record for lighting up the diyas. To make the event successful, the Ayodhya administration and Uttar Pradesh government has mobilized 12,000 volunteers in Ayodhya. As you are seeing the visuals out here, that this is just the scene. So these are just the scenes of preparations. As you can just see that this particular scene, the Ramayana, epic Ramayana scene is being picturized in this particular Rangoli, which clearly depicts that how Kevat took Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshmana in his boat for the further situation in the Vanvas. Though the Deepotsav is celebrated as the arrival of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after defeating the Ravana. So these are the scenes for Ayodhya, as it is the day of rehearsal and students are fully enthusiastic for the celebrations and for lighting up 9 lakh diyas in 34 ghats of Ram Ki Paidi. So Ayodhya is set for the mega event of Deepotsava, but it is not just about lighting up 9 lakh diyas, it is also about the paintings, the entire life journey of Lord Rama, which the students of various colleges of Ayodhya have tried to show in this particular majestic Ram Ki Paidi. I will try to explain what each picture explains itself. This is the picture in which you can see Lord Hanumana is taking up the Sanjeevani booty. As you are seeing that he is taking the Sanjeevani booty when Lakshman was hit by Indrajit, and thereafter Lord Hanuman came as a savior. Now the next picture is of Sita, of goddess Sita, when she was given an Agni Pariksha after Lord Rama announced that he will not accept her because the people of Ayodhya were not in that favor after she came from Lanka. Another picture. All these pictures are the examples how a life of a normal common man, how a god lived up the life. This is a picture in which in center you can see goddess Sita, Lakshman and Lord Rama. This is the Pushpak Viman of Ravana. After he was killed, Vibhishan ordered the Lanka that Lord Rama will go back to Ayodhya on this particular Viman. Now this is another picture of Lord Ram and Sita when they spent time together in Chitrakoot. So these are the pictures which clearly depicts the life of Lord Rama, the epic Ramayana. Not just this, other pictures are also there. As you can see, they are in the making. This is in the making. As you can see, the Lord Hanumana there, Lord Ram and goddess Sita out here. Other pictures are also there. As you can see, the wider range out here. This is the place where they are trying to make a wider range of such paintings. The entire painting is encircled with diyas and they will light up as the evening turns on. See, these are the things, Lord Rama in between, Lord Hanumana, Lord goddess Sita. So these are the scenes coming from Ram Ki Paidi, as Ayodhya, the temple town in Uttar Pradesh, is all set for the mega event of Deepotsava. As Ayodhya is incomplete without Ram, Ramayana is incomplete without Ram Darbar. As you are seeing right behind me, I am standing at Ram Ki Paidi, and this is the scene, the structure maintained, constructed for this mega event of Deepotsava. As you are seeing the visuals out here, that Ram Darbar in which you can see in the center, you can see Lord Rama, Sita sitting, while right Shatrughan, left Lakshman, then Bharat, and the other person sitting out here is Lord Hanuman. So these are the scenes coming from Ayodhya's Ram Ki Paidi, where the mega event of Deepotsava is about to happen. As without Ram Darbar, Ayodhya is incomplete, just like Ramayana and the temple town is incomplete without Ram and Sita. With cameraman Neeraj Kumar, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.